Hello children, welcome to my channel Geet Ma'am Online Preschool. So today we are going to do some fun activity. These are pre-writing skills activity which you are going to enjoy a lot. We will do 5 activities, and if you want to do it in class with me, so you arrange the things. We would be needing clay, watercolors, some sand, atta or suji, anything in a plate, paintbrush, water, and a drawing sheet, or something to drawing sheet, or any sheet which you can trace. So let's start. So the first activity which we are doing is paintbrush activity. This activity, parents, we can do it on the floor also. Right now I am doing it on my register. I will draw and I will tell you how to go about it. You can trace anything on the floor with the help of chalk. You can, according to the age or interest of the child, you can draw the whatever you want, like pattern or any letter, or you can draw some shapes. Right now I am drawing some sleeping line, slanting line, and square shape. So what we can do now, we can ask child to take a brush, a paint brush, dip it into the plain water. This is a less messy activity, but children really enjoy doing it. Ask them to trace it. A very useful and interesting activity for kids. This will improve their fine motor development, will enhance their writing skills. This way you can also write few letters, like any letter or a word. So as I have told you, according to the age and interest of the child, you can draw anything and just ask them to trace. The main idea is to enhance their skills. This way we can enhance their writing skills. And we'll move on to the next activity. The next activity which we are doing is dot making activity. For that, I have taken a sheet. The sheet I was already using in my previous class, online class. So I'm using the same sheet. Some dots already have done here. So parents, if you want to enroll your child for the online classes, I'll give you my WhatsApp number, and then you can just call and know about the timings and all. So the same color I'm taking here, red color. This is a dot making activity. It is very useful and interesting dip it into the water, and just ask them to make a dot on the given picture. This also improves handwriting. I've seen in my online classes also, these kind of activities really helpful for kids in improving their handwriting and to enhance their grip. So this way you can just complete it, the dots, make dots like this. Alright. Again, this can be a multitasking activity. You can teach them colors also simultaneously. Again, it is a very multitasking sheet. You can also teach them colors and whatever object you have drawn, flower, butterfly. So this way you can tell multiple things to the child. So let's move on to the third activity. For that, we need sand, atta, anything which is available. Here I have taken suji in a plate. Ask child to trace with fingertip. Standing line. Standing line. Standing line. You can also ask them to trace sleeping line. Sleeping line. Waves. Curves. If you have introduced letters or numbers, that also you can ask them to trace it. Number 1. Number 1. Number 2. Ask them to trace at least 4-5 times. Number 2. Number 2. Very useful activity for handwriting improvement. Number 2. Letters. Letter B. Letter B. So let's move on the next activity. Our next activity is activity which will do with clay. I'll use the same sheet which I used earlier. Okay. Just take out some clay. Ask your child to make sleeping line and paste it on it. Kids really enjoy doing it. You can keep them busy for a longer hour. Sleeping line. By using this, their fine motor development will enhance. Ask them to use their fingertips and do it like this. Then slanting line, slanting line. If you want them to revise letters, their formation, you can ask them to paste it on letters. Slanting line, slanting line, and a sleeping line. A. And ant. This way you can make them learn words, you can make them learn letters and shapes also, whatever you want them to learn. If you are doing it with me, I'm sure you're having fun doing these activities. In my class, children always wait for these kind of activities. So let's move on our fifth activity. For that, we need a sheet, anything you can draw. I have taken a tracing sheet of numbers. You can ask your child to take some color in fingertip and trace it. This is so fun. If your child is small, you can make slanting lines, sleeping lines, standing lines. If they have already done that, you can give these kind of worksheets of numbers or letters. Six. Let's take one more color. Take some color. So this way you can do the full worksheet, the full tracing. You can use different colors. Children, did you enjoy doing these activities with me? So you can subscribe my channel, like the video, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon.